we are going to do declarations as if you are a committed decision maker. Okay, when you are in that elements that I am a decision maker, the decision maker is cutting all other options, वो जहन में आया आपके और वो you become that way of being, and with that way of being you are going to take the declarations. On a count of 3, 2, 1 and begin. I like money. I love it. I play the money game to win. I use money wisely, constructively and judiciously. Money is constantly circulating in my life. I release it with joy and it returns to me multiplied in a wonderful way. I believe money is important. Money makes life more enjoyable and money is freedom. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance. I get rich doing what I love. I use money for good only and I'm grateful for all the money I have now. I am financially free because I now know how to truly think and grow rich. जैसे मैं पिक्चर्स आपको बता रहा हूं, आप उस समय कहां पे थे, एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल रिकलेक्ट, एंड व्हाट वर यू डूइंग, व्हाट वाज योर इमोशनल स्टेट, व्हाट वाज योर फाइनेंशियल स्टेट, वेयर वर यू इन योर करियर, इन योर बिजनेस, इन योर प्रोफेशन, मे बी इन योर फैमिली लाइफ, इन योर हेल्थ. याद है? यू रिमेंबर दिस? अपने मोदी साहब, when he first time became the prime minister, 2014, when the richest Indian in the world, Mukesh Ambani, and he came out with this that I'm going to bring out Reliance Jio. Where were you then? उस समय आप कहाँ पे थे? Maybe take a note of it right now. What were you like in terms of your maturity, in terms of your emotional well-being, in terms of your IQ, in terms of your relationships? What were you like at that moment? ये सारे इंसिडेंसेस में ना, कहाँ पे आप बच्चे थे, आई मीन यू आर रियली नाइव और यू मे बी मैच्योर्ड और यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे वेयर आर यू. सो हु आर योर फ्रेंड्स एट दैट टाइम, और यू नो किनके साथ आप यूज्ड टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम, एंड हाउ वाज योर डेली लाइफस्टाइल? Observe these things, you know, you can really connect with these things. What were your hopes and dreams? I mean, क्या गोल्स थे आपके तभी? क्या सोच रहे थे आप कि मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में, कि चल रही है कट रही जिंदगी, कि चलो just take the life the way it's coming? What was your state of being? I mean, what was really your hopes and dreams? So take a few moments as I'm creating this. Please put in your thought processes, जो भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है. Put those thought processes in your notepad, and you'll come to know that yes, उस समय I was thinking, maybe you laugh at yourself, maybe you'll feel it was very silly about myself कि मैं ये सोच रहा था कि मैं इसके पीछे कर रहा था. I was like, maybe you know, you'll feel that way. So, and if you look at your life from hindsight, you'll see a pattern. And the pattern is what we're going to discuss today. It's a very important part of your life, and that's where we are going to connect the dots. So some further questions for you. How am I going to live the next 10 years of my life? ये जो हो गया last 10 years तो इंडिया में हो गया सो हो गया, या वर्ल्ड में जो हो गया सो हो गया. अभी 2021 खत्म हो रहा है, 2022 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. लास्ट क्वार्टर इज देयर इन 2021. 2032 में क्या होगा? How would I be in terms of my physical well-being, in terms of my mental, in terms of my financial status, in terms of my maturity, about my understanding? How would you be? How am I going to live today in order to create the tomorrow I am committed to? It's a very important question. How am I going to live today in order to create the tomorrow which I am committed to? जो मुझे मेरा commitment है. How am I going to live today so that I can create that tomorrow? And one more question is coming over here. What am I going to stand for from now on? कि यार ये मेरी value systems है. This is right, this is wrong, this is something which I really want to do for myself, for my family, for my country, for my community. What is the stand? और ये मैं नहीं करूँगा. कुछ भी हो जाए, I will not cross this line. So these are some of the important questions. Very deep questions for yourself to introspect. Okay? Very deep questions for yourself to introspect. Are we all together? सोचने लग रहे हो आप कुछ? This is not a motivational seminar. This is about your life. Are you thinking कि 2032 में मैं कहाँ होने वाला हूँ और मैं आज क्या करूँगा ताकि I'll be that person or become that person or I'll have that thing which I really want to have? Yes or no? Yes or no, my friend? Good. So take a notepad, keep on jotting some thought processes about your life, because you are a unique human being. You cannot compare yourself with anybody. It's your life. Whatever has happened in the past, it's happened in your past. It's your life. And whatever is going to happen in the future is again your life. You are in supreme in charge. And there is a powerful force which keeps all of this intact. I'll share about my life, so I'll create a context for you. Being the only son, I entered the family business. It was my decision. Nobody forced me. Chartered accountant, ranker, gold medalist, MBA. But family business, father was there, and then father got sick and I had to ultimately handle the responsibilities. So I was not an engineer. I didn't know how to operate machines. I didn't know how to work on the shop floor. I worked on the furnaces. I didn't know all that stuff. I was like a white collar thing. I didn't know all that stuff. But we did this, and I did what I just came up to my life. And I mean, I took some decisions, but I just cannot blame somebody else for this. And there I was. And I think everything which I learned from there, it was an experience for me. I can never forget the mistakes which I made, the mishaps which I did, the wrong things or the right things which I did, and they've got no regrets as such. But that's where I was, and things progressed. I met new people. I met new things at the age of 40. I took this decision that I want to. This is my purpose. Things were not working well for me. I used to keep on reading this book again and again and again and again and again. I mean, this is the pocket edition which I had got at that time. And after going to the US and getting the license for India, people felt that you won the war, but actually it was the commencement of the war. It was not the winning of the war. The war has started. I used to do programs in classrooms, maybe in open halls, maybe in someone's house, maybe anywhere, in a playground, in a park, maybe in a compound, anywhere. And I didn't expect anything in return. And people used to come, they used to clap, they used to criticize, they used to judge me. And that's where I was there, stuck up. And things were not good for me at that time. So much so that when I was doing all this, when I transited into this, my younger one, he got a poster in the house, and it was in the movie The Joker, okay. And in the movie The Joker, there's a very famous poster. It says, "I will not do anything for free in my life." And my younger one, Riditya, pasted that particular poster in his room, and he was looking at me. "Papa, why are you doing it for free? Papa, why are you doing it for free?" I didn't know what to answer at that moment. I really didn't know what to answer. But he said, "Papa, see, Joker is saying you should not do anything for free. Why are you doing it for free?" I said, "I don't know. I really don't know." I didn't have the answer. Well, now I can connect the dots, what was happening in my life. But at that moment, I didn't have any clue. I just kept on doing. So the point which I'm trying to tell you over here is that it is something which is, you don't know how your life is going to move forward until and unless you have this power. I'll move forward very fast in my life. The things have progressed. The way you transition, you look at yourself. And then when you look at hindsight, when I was 10 years old, this is when I was 10 years old. And I was just thinking how that 10-year-old kid sitting at in his papa's office and didn't know anything, and from where the life has transited and how it has come over here. I didn't know this, that today, what I'm doing right now, and how the entire thing started, and when I went, it was a roller coaster ride, and what happened. So the point which I'm telling you through this entire my personal experience of the story is, one thing which will determine where you are right now and where you want to go is this. 2032 में आपको कहाँ जाना है? This one power, you're going to decide it right now. And that power is your decisions. Yes, my friends. जो भी आप decision लेंगे आज, जो भी आज आप डिसीजन लेंगे, that's going to decide your future. और जहां पे भी आप हो आज, जहां पे भी आज आप हो, it is because of your past decisions which you have taken. How many of you agree with this? कि जहां पे भी आप हो, जो भी सिचुएशन में आप हो, जो भी आपकी लाइफ में हो रहा है, it is because of your old past decisions. If you agree it, take it easily, better for you. If you still feel okay, no, because of that person, because of that circumstance, because of that incident, because of that government, because of that, it's going to be tough for you. The more, the better you agree it faster, the better for you. So I want really to look at your life that, I didn't know how would I be over here, but it is just because of the decisions which I had taken. I didn't have time. When people used to do, say, one program or in a week, I used to do 5 programs in a week. And that's how I multiplied. I kept on taking the decisions. I said, yes, decision. I kept on taking decisions. That's it. So when I say, okay, if I did 5 programs in a week, My experience in this industry was multiplying by 5 times. What a person learns in 1 year, I learned in 5 years, I learned in 1 year. That's what happened. And it is just because I was able to take the decisions at that time. I just took the decisions at that time. And I didn't have any other option. So from this transition of just having this 100 rupee pocket edition book, holding this book in the hand and knowing nowhere to go, I didn't know how it was possible for me to do it, but I made a decision, I'm going to make it for sure. That decision, I'm going to make it. And today, having in my hand the authorized copy, authored by Napoleon Hill, is because of the decision which I took. This is the journey which I've got from year to year. It's because of the decision which I took. And if I think if I can do this, every one of you can do this. Every one of you can do this. Everyone. I mean, मेरे पास 100 रुपए से ज्यादा पैसे नहीं थे, ये पॉकेट एडिशन लेने के पैसे थे. आज मेरे पास ऑटोग्राफ्ड कॉपी है नेपोलियन हिल की. How it happened? Because I took some decisions. And I want you today, swear on everything that you're going to become a decision maker. You are going to be a decision maker for sure. And that decision making ability of yours is going to propel you to wherever you want to achieve in 2030. जो भी आपको चाहिए achieve करना है. So let's look at your life now. I'm going to give you insights how to become a better decision maker today and what kind of things people make a mistake while making decisions. How many of you agree? Yes, you're right, Renu. Yeah, you're absolutely right. And I took a decision and I made it right. Absolutely, you're right. Now, look at this. How many of you agree that when you made this goal card, when you wrote something on this goal card, that's a decision? Just like, yes, I mean, really, this is a decision which you took, यार, कि ये मुझे चाहिए. It was a committed decision for sure. It was not a priority or maybe something which is के करूँ के ना करूँ. No, it was a decision for you that this is what I want. And most of you agree with me that you didn't know how it was going to happen. Right or wrong? You didn't know how it was going to happen for sure, but you just focus on what you wanted and you took a decision कि यार मुझे ये चाहिए. You took a decision, you kept a committed decision, ये मुझे ये चाहिए. You didn't know how it was going to happen. So the first step in Think and Grow Rich is you decide exactly what you want. A decision, a committed decision. So let's explore this power. Let's explore this power that if you want to achieve the grand success, if you want to achieve that grand goal, how you can become a committed decision maker, what are the traps to avoid, and what are the things you should do it on a daily basis so that you can become a decision maker. So, see, when we talk of results come through actions. Action, reaction, the law of compensation, Ralph Waldo Emerson, you talk about anything, Newton's law, cause and effect, we all know that stuff. So it all starts with actions, but when the decisions let you take these actions and those actions produce the results. So if you go back a couple of slides, I'm saying it is the decision, that decision starts to make some action, and that actions produce the results. So before even you think of getting the results, even before you even want to take the actions, you got to be a decision maker. So let me ask you a question. Are you willing to become that kind of a committed decision maker? I mean, just like whatever it takes, WIT, whatever it takes, man, I'm going to be a decision maker, because that is going to determine my action. See, if you are not able to take action, that means you have not taken a decision. It is as simple as that. I repeat, it's a very important distinction. If you are not able to take some action, that means you are not taking a committed decision. You are just wishing, you're just hoping, you're just dreaming for it. Are you able to get this distinction कि लोग क्यों कि wishful thinking में रहते हैं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, और दे से मैं एक्शन नहीं लेता हूं. बट नहीं, जब तक वो एक्शन, जो फियर, जो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर की एक्शन आप नहीं ले रहे हो, तब तक आपने एक कमिटेड डिसीजन नहीं लिया है. You are just beating around the bush. So take a committed decision that will give you the impetus to take action, and those actions are going to produce the result which you want to have. It's a done deal. It's a law works. It's a cause and effect relationship. It has to work over here. I'm going to give you six ways of how you can become a committed decision maker. So the first step is this. The first step, remember the true power of making decisions. Never forget this power. This is the power which you have got. This is the power which each and everyone has got. This is the God-given power which you have got. We were born with this power. And how do you remember? Be aware of it. Go in your past. Go आपके old memories में देखना, photos देखना. कहाँ पे थे आप, कहाँ पे आप अभी हो. Look at the top 10 incidents that happened in 2000 last decade and see where were you. And from there, आइडेंटिफाई के द पावर क्या था डिसीजन मेकिंग, कि आपने वो डिसीजन लिया और आप यहाँ पे आए. सो ऑलवेज बी कनेक्टेड टू दिस पावर. के are we clear with the first step? So I can move on to the 6 steps to make to use this power. If you're clear, just type 1 in the comment box, please. Remember the true power of making decisions, and you have the power. कोई आपको खरीदी नहीं करनी है, कोई आपको प्रोग्राम नहीं करना. You have the power. You just have to use this particular power. That's point number 1. Point number 2. Remember that the hardest step in achieving anything is making a true commitment, a true decision. So this is where the quality of decision making is important. You just don't need to have a priority. You just don't need to have something which is okay, fine, I'll do it, we'll see whether it works or not. That's not the case. Remember that the hardest step, यहाँ पे ही you can remove the cattle class and the TAGR class for sure. That the hardest step is achieving anything is making a true commitment, a true decision. So that's the second step. जब भी आपने अपना goal card बना दिया, this is the hardest step. कभी-कभी बहुत लोगों को time लगता है. They are analyzing, they are paralyzing कि ये क्या चाहिए. But once you are decided, this is a commitment which you are going to take, and come what may, heaven or hell, whatever is possible, कुछ भी हो जाएगा, but मुझे ये मेरा goal achieve करना है. So that's a true decision. You cut all the other retreats behind it. So are we clear on this? The second thing, it's a committed thing. It is not something like a wavering thing. It's not like, okay, I'm interested, I will see, मेरे पास time होगा तो देखूंगा, मेरे पास पैसा होगा तो देखूंगा. Oh, that's all that. It's all garble. That's not required for that. That's the second point. The third one, make decisions often. So, sometimes शादी की decision लिया. Some people remember that. बच्चा किया तभी decision लिया. But you have job लिया, के business tech, that's a decision. But don't wait for these kinds of incidences to happen, okay? Make decisions often. I mean, become a decision maker. I mean, every day of your life, you become a decision maker. And the more faster you make the decisions, the faster because you know that with that decision, only the action is going to come. I'm going to talk about that decisions. I'm not going to make you like a decision which doesn't give you any action. That's not a decision. So make decisions which are going to give you action so that you are able to become an action taker. So make decisions. Check yourself. When was it that last time where you really made a committed decision? Maybe it was last week, maybe last month, maybe last 6 months, or maybe when you took a decision to join this program. That was a decision for you, but you should make decisions more often. And the more you make the decisions, you are going to progress faster. So don't leave for कि मैं शनिवार को ही लूंगा decision, कि मैं maybe 3 तारीख, 6 तारीख, 9 तारीख को ही लूंगा डिसीजन, कि मैं 4:20 पे ही लूंगा डिसीजन. डोंट वेट फॉर दोस थिंग्स, मेक डिसीजंस ऑफन, बिकॉज व्हाट यू थिंक यू बिकम. सो फॉर श्योर यू गॉट टू बिकम अ डिसीजन मेकर. सो आर वी क्लियर विद द थर्ड एलिमेंट? जितना आप यूज करेंगे अपने मसल को, दिस इज लाइक अ मसल, जितना आप यूज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा होने वाला. ओके, या ज्वाइनिंग दिस प्रोग्राम वाज अ स्टार डिसीजन, फातिमा. थैंक यू फॉर दैट. थैंक यू. द फोर्थ वन, learn from your decisions. So every decision, yeah, remember your 10-second decision. Yeah, Madhukar ji, every decision, you don't know what's going to be the result, okay, but you learn from every decision and you introspect. That's where you detach yourself from the result and you see from a third person's perspective कि यार ये डिसीजन जो समझो नहीं हुआ तो व्हाट एम आई लर्निंग, और अगर हुआ भी अच्छा तो उसमें मैंने क्या किया कि इट रियली वर्कड आउट वेल. सो यू लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी डिसीजंस, एंड द मोर यू टेक डिसीजंस, द मोर यू गोइंग टू लर्न कंप्लीटली. सो एवरी डिसीजन इज गोइंग टू बी a learning platform for you. So learn from your decisions, and it may not be every time the results will come the way you want to come, but you can learn from every decision. So that's the fourth element. So pehla third tha, you make the decisions often, and fourth one is you learn from your decisions. If you're clear with the fourth one, type out 4 in the comment box, please. Awesome. The fifth one is, this is powerful. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. Don't change the goal, change the plan. Don't change the goal, change the plan. Okay, don't change the goal, change the plan. Okay, I mean, it's like, yeah, you can change the plan, but don't change the goal. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. If some things are not working, I mean, really take feedback. I mean, constructively देखो कि क्या पे हो सकता है, क्या पे change करोगे. Where should I go for new learnings? Should I be a third perspective? कुछ constructive feedback ले सकते. Don't take yourself too much seriously. Don't have the ego built in over here. So don't change the goal, change your plan. So stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. That's the fifth one. Clear with this? Type 5 in the comment box, please. And the final one, enjoy making your decisions. See, the thing which you enjoy, you'll do it more often. If you don't enjoy taking decisions, you're not going to you're not going to do it for sure. So whenever you take a decision, enjoy that process. I mean, really enjoy taking decisions. I am a decision maker. I'm a quick and a fast decision maker. And that's where I control my life. I create my life. So you enjoy making decisions. No, किसी ने बोला जबरदस्ती इसलिए मुझे डिसीजन लेना पड़ा, मुझे हाँ बोलनी पड़ी, मुझे ना बोलनी पड़ी. That's not you're enjoying the decisions. You enjoy making decisions, yes or a no or a no, and be in that space. And once you be in that space, you'll become a better decision maker. I mean, to summarize this, quick and fast decision makers. Napoleon Hill research, 25,000 years of experience. All successful people are quick and fast decision makers, whereas all failures, they hardly take any decisions. और अगर लेते भी हैं तो change करते हैं, बार-बार change करते हैं. And you know what? To give you a very funny note, there's a research on people who have been divorced for 4 times. There was a research done. And you know what? The survey told that all of them unanimously agreed that the first partner was the best one. The first partner was the best one. So you got to understand this. Quick and fast decision makers. Don't change. This is a research. You can check it out. 4 times divorcees, they were researched. That according to who was your best partner, the first one was the best one. So you got to really trust your decisions. And I mean, once you make a decision and change your plan, but don't change your goal. Now look at this. Decision is one power which can create your destiny. I want to end this with a powerful statement, and then we'll go on Telegram. I'm going to give you an assignment. Information acted upon is decision. Get this definition synced in. What is decision? When there is an information, and if we act upon that information, only then it is a decision. बाकी it's all crap. बाकी आप बोलेंगे, अपने आप को कन्विंस करेंगे, हाँ मुझे पता है, I know all that stuff. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. YouTube देख के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You just got to have action taking, an information which is giving you 100 actions to take. That is a decision. Otherwise it is not a decision. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि मैंने decision लिया कि नहीं लिया, proof क्या है? Are you taking action on that? If you are, then you have taken a decision. If you are not taking any action, it is not. So information acted upon, I think it's a brilliant way of defining. It's a brilliant way of defining what's a decision. So are you a decision maker?